Hello, this is Larry at LarryRico.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace bulbs in a 2007 Honda CRV. If you like this video, click on the like button below. You can subscribe to my channel and check out my apps in the Apple App Store. They include Project Organizer Pro, Job Hunt Pro, Opportunity Organizer Pro, Student Organizer Pro, Class Organizer, and Class Organizer Pro. Okay, what you'll need is a new set of light bulbs. It's recommended that you replace 2 light bulbs at the same time, and that way they both match, which is actually the reason why I'm replacing these, not because the lights are burned out. And you need a fresh pair of nitrile gloves, not used before. These are brand new out of the box, and the reason for that is the oils on your hands will cause the bulb to fail prematurely, so you don't want to make sure you don't touch the bulbs at all with your hands or with any oils, and fresh nitrile gloves will not have any oils on them from other jobs. Okay, so the light bulbs are located back here. There's a running light that's down in this area. That's not the one I need to replace. I need to do the headlight bulb, which is back a little bit further and back in this area here. So first thing is to take out this grommet cover and pull out the part that contains the bulb. This is the prong on the back of the bulb, the cover, and then the bulb is actually in here. Things will be easier with 2 hands. It's the same procedure on the other side. You do have slightly more space to work with. First pull off the back, then you get in here and grab this cover, and then you can see there is a clipping mechanism here, and you need to work it out and get it. It's pushing the bulb in, so that needs to be lifted up. So it has a mechanism. It's hooked on this one side here, and you have to pull it off to get it unlatched. So it's kind of clipped over the edge there, so you push down and push it up, and then it'll lift out. So let me see if I can catch that on film. Did it so quick it was kind of hard to catch. So it's under here, and then you press down and it lifts up out of the way. Then once it's up out of the way, you can easily pull the bulb out. Now, the procedure is going to be the exact opposite to replace it. Okay, so I got the bulb out of the package, and now to put this bulb in, it's like the same procedure as the other one. It goes in a way that you have the big tab at the top and then the 2 small tabs at the bottom. So I'll work that around, and the clip's going to get in the way, so you gotta flip that out of the way. Wide. Get that out of your way. And it's not going to be very cooperative with one hand. Again, big tab on top, small tab on the bottom. And I'll probably need 2 hands to do this. so it sits nice. And then the procedure is the opposite. To put the clip back, you just push it down and hook it around that spot. Now that's back in place. Go back to the cover, which goes over it. Just presses down in place. And then the last, the clip, which again is going to be like this, and just kind of goes over it. Line up your 3 pins, 1 on top and 2 on the side, and just press it in. Go back over to the other side. And this one, a little harder to get the camera in here. Okay, maybe we can get it in here. So we're gonna have a clip on that one side. Press the clip, pull it around, pins up, out of the way, flip the bulb out. Okay, and then put in the 2 bad bulbs, or they're actually not bad. They just don't match color exactly or brightness, so be easier if you're using 2 hands. Just don't get your bulbs mixed up. So this one will go in the same way. This clip on top, big fat tab on top, 2 smaller tabs on the side. Will go in just like this. Okay, that one got in easily. And then the clip just goes over. And then you got to push it down and then hook it on that tab. There we go. Now it's all back in there. Then we reverse the procedure. Put this cover back on. Always looks easier on TV, doesn't it? Okay. Press it all down flat. And then you put the connector back on the back. Now again, this connector's like the other one. It's 3-prong. This fat part's on top. So we just put that in here. Gotta get the rubber out of the way. Make sure it's not over the tabs. If it is, as this is the case here, move that around so that your prongs are exposed. Gotta get your grommet thing around the prongs. Okay. Now your prongs are exposed. And you can just press that on there. Then we'll do a test. And we have light coming out of both headlights. They should be equal brightness, and everyone will be happy.